Hey guys, just wanted to share my thoughts on these MaxMate side steps, also referred to as Nerf bars. I got them on my Silverado, but they sell them for most trucks. They look very good. They increase the value of your truck instantly, and the looks of it, of course, too. And most importantly, the safety of getting in and out of your truck. An absolute must-have for a truck, especially this high. So if you're getting in without it, it's a bit tough. You got to go all the way up like that. With this, you can just get on here, and that helps also getting into the back of your truck bed. If you're over here and you need to get something in here, you don't have to climb from the back. Like it very much. For this setup, you get a set of 4 brackets like this here. They attach to your undercarriage, and then the holes are already there from the manufacturer of your truck. Very simple to install. You don't need a professional installer to do this if you can do simple maintenance on your car or truck. Every time, safety is priority number 1, so just remember to make sure your truck is off, your wheels are chalked before you go under the truck to install these. Overall, I really like this item. I love it, actually. I was surprised how much of a quality it is and how easy it was to install. These side steps have absolutely improved how easy it is to get in and out of the truck, and also have absolutely improved the appearance of the truck. So I'm very happy with it.